Hello, everyone. Welcome to your Microsoft certification journey, a step by step guide for everybody. So, are you new to the world of IT or maybe new to the world of IT certifications and feeling a bit of overwhelmed? Where to begin? How do I get my first certificate? Or maybe how do I get myself familiar with how exactly the world of certifications in IT work? If you are one of those, welcome to my course. This course basically caters to anybody who is new into the certification ecosystem, and predominantly if you are willing to invest and learn more towards the Microsoft certifications. The main part is the course is designed for freshers, beginners, or somebody who is not at all aware of how certifications work, how to get yourself ready to be certified in the context of Microsoft products, tools, or maybe Azure Cloud. This will build a very strong foundation of them. How do you land into calling yourself certified? Some of the most respected credentials that you get right now in this industry, being called as Microsoft Certified Expert, Microsoft Certified Associate, or even Microsoft Certified Fundamentals Engineer. It's a very easy course to follow, and we will walk you through right now in the main blocks, which will cover number one, how to exactly qualify which certification is relevant and aspirational for your profile. Number two, what are the different levels of certification that Microsoft as a company has to offer? If you're starting from zero, you do not have any prior experience, don't worry at all. We will have step-by-step videos to help you guide how exactly log into the portal, go through the details of which category is more suitable and applicable to you, and how exactly can you get yourself enrolled, timeline, and eventually book the certification to clear it. This is a very elementary level course for anybody who wants to define the roadmap for them, and there is no technical background needed for this particular course. So the structure of the course is very simple. After you're done with this course, you'll be very comfortable to book and plan your Microsoft certification, get yourself certified, and showcase it to the world. The best part is, once you are done with this course, this will lead you to structure and plan what kind of certification path you have to select, what kind of certification timeline and goals you have to set for you, and that will make it more structured and clear for you what do you want to achieve in terms of your upcoming certification this year and the days to come. With that, let's go deeper in this course and move on to the further topics.